morning, everyone. Today I would like to talk about GM food labeling. First, let us have a look at these pictures. Tell me, what is your first idea in your mind when you see these pictures? Do you think they are colorful, they are delicious, or they might be good for our health? In fact, they have something in common. All of them are genetically modified food. We call them GM food. So, GM food is the topic our group selected to study. And the reasons we choose to study the topic is mainly three reasons. The first is popular and worldwide in recent years. And second, GM food with further development may help to solve starvation. So it's of great importance. And the third reason is GM food might have some bad impacts on human health. This is why people are concerned about GM food a lot. So, after we select the topic, we went through brainstorming and we found there was still a lot of directions under the topic GM food. Then we chose a manageable study field, the GM food labeling. And after that, we narrowed down the why topic to our final research question, this one, the choice between mandatory and voluntary GM food labeling. And we found our research articles in Science Direct. It is a case study for voluntary GM labeling in South Africa, written by two experienced researchers. Now let's go to the second part of my presentation. It's the research paper summary and critique. After we read through the article, we found the purpose of the study. First, to determine the GM content of non-GM food, and the second, test validity of GM labels in South Africa and see whether it can protect consumers really concerned about the GM food, the food they buy a GM food or not. And the conclusion of the article is the voluntary labeling failed to protect consumers in South Africa. And on the whole, we think the article is of good design and the researchers are experienced because they have done a lot of similar researches in recent years in the same field. But however, there are still some problems need to be solved. For methodology, it needs larger sample size, and the terms of validity should be well defined in the article. And moreover, further research should be conducted on mandatory labeling. In other words, rejecting voluntary labeling doesn't mean the mandatory labeling is better, does it? So to conclude, the article can be used as a reference for our research, and this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.